Hazrat Masruq says, we visited Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha while Hazrat Hassan radiallahu anhu was also there with her, who was reciting verses in her praise. So he reciting the preliminary verses of the ode, said, a chaste, dignified and righteous woman who is not polluted with any calumnious thing. She gets up in the morning with a stomach empty of the chaste woman's flesh. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha said, but you are not like that. Masruq says that he submitted to Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, why do you permit him to sit in your company? When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, and among them he who took the greater share, for him is the mighty torment. She said, is there any greater torment than to become blind in the world? But he would compete the infidels in the field of poetry on behalf of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam or satirize them. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4146.